Pakistan Supreme Court has granted major medical relief to former Prime Minister Imran Khan. The court has ordered Khan's transfer to a hospital in Islamabad after ongoing uproar and demand from his party, family over health concerns.
Well, the tipping point, however, was a 10th August report which mentioned fluctuating blood pressure and anxiety. The concerning parameters have been linked to authorities allegedly restricting Imran Khan's contact with his family. The top court's order states that Imran Khan should be taken to the hospital within 2 days for a period of 1 month. In fact, the court has also directed the former Prime Minister's family be allowed to meet him and that he also be permitted to talk to his sons.
Lawyers for the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Party, which Khan founded, have welcomed this decision.
This is a very welcoming decision. He is the founder and chairman of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and has been in jail for nearly 3 years now. Given the nature of the medical report that has come out, especially the medical report submitted yesterday, I believe this is a very good and encouraging decision.
Well, several Pakistani citizens have also reacted to this development, with many welcoming the decision and citing it as a necessity for every citizen, which even includes a jailed leader.
Every Pakistani has the right to basic necessities. There have been concerns about Imran Khan's health, particularly problems with his eye and reports that his vision has been affected. He has received treatment before and health facilities were also provided to him in jail. But now that the decision has been made to shift him to a hospital, I think it is absolutely right, because every ordinary citizen should have access to proper health care.
Since August 2023, the former Pakistan Prime Minister has been lodged in a Rawalpindi prison following his conviction in several cases. But for several months, reports of his flailing health, especially his eyesight, raised an alarm among family members who have consistently protested outside the prison complex, demanding that they be allowed to meet the imprisoned leader. Adil Farooq Raja is a journalist and former Pakistani military officer. He's now joining us live from London. Mr. Raja, thank you very much for your time and welcome to the broadcast. Your quick reaction to the Supreme Court's verdict and order.
Eric, it's a very welcome decision or verdict, whatsoever you may like to call it. But because of this verdict, there are more questions than answers, because there are two things to this order. Firstly, Imran Khan's health concerns have been raised before. He almost lost his eyesight because of the lack of medical facilities. And even then, irrespective of the medical reports, he was not allowed hospitalization. And his family visits have been stopped since December 2025. It's been 8 months he's not been allowed to meet his family, irrespective of various high court orders. The Pakistani military establishment is not allowing anyone from his family to meet him. And now this court orders coming from a judiciary which is definitely not independent, mind you, raises more questions than it gives answers, but it is a very welcome decision, obviously.
Major Adil, good evening. Shreya here. This is what I was coming to next, because this might come in as a welcome order by the Supreme Court, and it, of course, will energize PTI workers and, supporters of the party throughout Pakistan. But how safe would Imran Khan be in the hospital? There have been security concerns earlier as well. What does it look like from the security point of view?
Well, Shreya, there are, again, a number of things regarding your questions. Firstly, which hospital is he being sent to? This is a private hospital in Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan, but his family, specifically his sister, has been demanding that he should be sent to that hospital because it's got the top-rated medical facilities anywhere in the country. So this was the demand by the family. Otherwise, Imran Khan was being treated in a government hospital called Pakistan Institute of Medical Sciences. So it is a new precedent is being set through by the accepting acceptance of the demands of the family, which tells you that there is much more to this story than just health concerns. And secondly, coming to the security issues, obviously it will be a serious security threat to Imran Khan, because Imran Khan is going to a private hospital and his own party has given security guarantees for him. But having said that, Imran Khan would be still a prisoner, a political prisoner that may be, but still a prisoner. And his security would be the responsibility of the federal government. And the the hospital is in Islamabad, and it will be under the Mr. Mohsen Naqvi, who is brother-in-law of the Pakistani strongman Field Marshal Asim Munir. So onus lies on the Islamabad administration and the Interior Minister, Mr. Mohsen Naqvi, about the security of Mr. Imran Khan.
Talking about the establishment and the administration, Mr. Raja, what is the fear that is palpable with the government in Pakistan when it comes to Imran Khan being given his right to health?
And just to add to his question, Major Adil, Eric's question, the kind of support that Imran Khan enjoys, within Pakistan, whether he's in jail or outside of it, clearly would rattle the establishment as well, because he's been able to sustain that support even from inside prison.
Well, Eric, firstly, to answer you, Imran Khan is still the most popular leader of Pakistan, and irrespective of being in jail, he got the maximum number of votes in the 2024 elections, irrespective of the fact that his party was not allowed to contest the elections as a party. But any man or woman which he supported became the member of the National Assembly in Form 45 at least, and Form 45 is the actual vote count of the people of Pakistan. Later on, as per the Commonwealth report, the vote count was changed in Form 47. But coming over to Sharia, what you're saying makes a lot more sense considering the ground realities, because and what Eric was saying earlier, the Pakistani state, led by its military, is scared of the popularity of Mr. Imran Khan, because they have been unable to deliver upon the promises which they made. At the end of the day, it is about economy. And the Field Marshal Asim Munir, he promised the country that he will bring around 80 to 90 billion dollars of investment from Gulf states through his special investment facilitation council, which was created in this hybrid regime, and there were a lot of military officers, generals serving on board, but they have been unable to manage the economy. Of course, the US-Iran war played its part over there, but even then, the Pakistani economy is surviving from one economic bailout to the other. The inflation has skyrocketed. I mean, the cost of living in Pakistan is unprecedented, and people are not satisfied with the current regime. So that is why Imran Khan's popularity is increasing manifold, irrespective of him being in jail. But Eric, very important, shortly, what you said, Imran Khan just cannot be contained. If he's allowed contact with public, he makes these tweets through his party members, and tweets on X, post on X, in fact, is driving the Pakistani politics. That's why he's been made incommunicado.
Okay.
Mr. Raja, we'll have to leave it there and wait to see if Pakistan establishment or the government will abide by the Supreme Court's order. Raja, thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you, guys.